Today I'm going to share with you some of my Montessori inspired activities. The first activity is called alphabet soup. You're going to need a little saucepan, a cookie tray, this is from Dollar Tree, a bowl, a spoon. I put some tape right down the middle. The tape's also from Dollar Tree. Some letters, these are from a puzzle. You need to get the spoon and you get your magnetic letters and you put them onto the bowl. You're serving the alphabet soup. So your child gets all the letters. This is a good eye-hand coordination activity. There's one more letter. All right. So after they have their letters, now they're going to sort them. We're going to put A here and B on this side. So they get their letter and they place it on the cookie sheet. A. Where does this one go? B. A. A. B. On and on they go, sorting their letters. Children can say the name of the letter, say the sound. The B says B, B. The A says A, B, A. We teach the names of the letters and then we teach the letter sound. Children can easily name the letters of the alphabet, have an easier time learning to read. This is a great activity for letter recognition. For this next activity, you're going to need a little tray. This one's is divided into 3 areas. And I'm also using pom-poms, 3 different colors: green, yellow, and red. This is a sorting and matching activity. So you have your child pick up one of the pom-poms, say the color. What color is this? Red. Can you tell me where it goes? It goes right here with red. Can you get another one? What color is it? Yellow. Where does it go? Right here. Okay, one more. What color is this? Red. Okay, put it with the red ones. On and on the child goes, saying the color and then putting it in the proper place. Green. Green. So on and on the child goes, sorting, saying the name of the color. This is a great activity because sorting and matching helps with concentration, eye-hand coordination, visual discrimination, and sorting is a pre-math activity. This next activity is a literacy activity. We're going to be reading a nursery rhyme. I have a book with a nursery rhyme. We're going to do Hickory Dickory Dock. I have a printable. It's just a clock. And I went ahead and printed a little mouse. But I really like this one the best. This is a little toy that I got at Dollar Tree. It's in the section where they have the toys for pets. So I got this for $1. So cute. So first we're going to say the nursery rhyme. I really like this book. You can just put your fingers in the back and clap. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory Dickory Dock. You can also open the book and show the children. Hickory Dickory Dock. The mouse ran up the clock. So you go on, and you can also have your child, as you read the nursery rhyme, have the little mouse go, hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Or if you printed the little mouse, same thing. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Nursery rhymes are fun. They're catchy, and many toddlers like to listen to a story being read, but their attention span is short. So nursery rhymes are perfect for toddlers. They can boost early language development, and they're a great way to teach pre-reading skills. I hope you liked these Montessori inspired activities, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. See you next time.